This is Rich Noto here, Ocoee Florida, licensed realtor, home inspector, and notary. So right now I'm over at Arden Park. This is a Lennar Homes community. I just want to show you how nice and scenic it is over here. You know, some communities have something special going on that others don't, and you can really see this whole section behind me. Really nice looking out here. Really peaceful. Now, if you are interested in a home out here or someplace else, as always, please contact me first so I can represent you at the home builders. The home builder does pay my fee, so it is free to you essentially as a home buyer. Now they are building up there. You can see the dirt possibly down there, and all that's going to be home sites, so it's going to be overlooking everything that's behind me. You can see what a great view it is. And also you can see the clubhouse is behind me and the pool's a little bit further back. So let's go take a little walk over here. Now, one of the nice things about this community as well is that there are a lot of places to walk around. So if you want to walk around some nature settings, you have it. You can see there's a path over there, and there's a few other places as well that have paths, so keep that in mind. This community also does have a gate, which is nice, and the gate, while it doesn't have a security guard actually sitting at the gate, it has somebody that's going to talk to you through the gate. And it does take photos or videos of everyone coming through, so it catches all the license plates on the way in. Now, while we're taking a walk around here, I did want to mention just a few quick things about pre-approvals. Now, pre-approval is probably one of the most important things, and you know, sometimes pre-approvals can get messed up. And what I mean is that sometimes lenders just give really bad ones. Sometimes it's a good idea to get at least two of them to get a second opinion. You know, you might think that you should have been approved, but they come back with something that says otherwise. Now, in that situation, of course, you know, you do want to get another approval, because from one lender to another, it can be very different. Now, over here is a clubhouse with a sitting room in here, but it's currently closed. And the gym is over here as well. Now you might want to see the homes behind me too. You can see that there's a lot of hills around here. Very nice. Communities like this are kind of hard to come by, especially with all of the, you know, the standard flat road communities. Those things are everywhere. So when something like this comes about, this is the sort of thing that you might want to consider, and possibly for the same amount of money. It's definitely one of the nicest clubhouses around. Another view of the lake setting. And you can see how the homes down there are uphill, and you can see that there's a path down there as well, which again is really nice if you like to take walks. This is Florida, and that's definitely something that a lot of people enjoy. Well, they move here for that, to get out of the snow and just be able to enjoy the warm days. So we got the pool over here behind me as well. That's the pool section. Boy, is it sunny. Sunny and warm day. I think it's like 88 degrees right now. So back to that pre-approval, you know, from one lender to another, you might get something totally different. So you really want to make sure when you're shopping around, you don't just kind of listen to one lender as though that lender is, you know, the beginning and end of everything. Sometimes lenders come back and they tell somebody that they can't get the approval or there's certain conditions, and another lender is going to say just the opposite. So, you know, again, you know, you never just want to say, okay, you know, I got this one, it didn't come back how I thought it would, let me just end it. It's always good to get a second opinion. Sometimes you might even need a third opinion. That's just how it is. And then, of course, the different programs that the lenders have are also going to, you know, offer different things as well. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm no pressure sales, and I totally believe that the home and the community should sell itself, and no one should try to sell you on it, because it has to be right for you, ultimately you, your family. And one of the things that I do always try to accomplish is I always try to get you the best price possible by negotiating, and also trying to keep you away from the pitfalls and the hazards of buying, because when you go out alone, you just don't know if what you're being told is the truth or not. And you know, I know I've said it in plenty of videos, but you know, sales associates are working for the builder with the builder's best interest in mind, and it's right in the contract. And I do hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.